How to fix iPhone green screen problem. Force restart your iPhone. Here's how. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Do the same with the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. A force restart can often knock out any temporary glitches causing the green screen. Still, you are facing the green screen glitches. Then, follow remaining troubleshooting steps. But if you are having a complete green screen, visit near Apple Store or authorized service stations. Adjust your display settings. Sometimes it's all about the settings. Go to the settings on your phone. Then, scroll down, click on Display and Brightness. Adjust the brightness and make sure True Tone and Auto Brightness are toggled on. This can sometimes resolve display issues. Update your iOS. Go to Settings on your phone. Then, tap on the General. After that, click on the Software Update. Running on an outdated iOS can lead to all sorts of problems, including display issues. So, make sure you are up to date. Check for app updates. Make sure all your apps are up to date by going to the App Store and updating any pending apps. Outdated apps can also cause display problems. Uninstall recently installed apps. If you started noticing the green screen after downloading a new app, consider uninstalling it to see if the problem goes away. Reset all settings. If none of the above steps work, try resetting all settings. In the main settings, click on the General. Then scroll down, tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, click on the Reset option. Then choose Reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset all system settings to their defaults. And that's it.